Hello everyone. You know that crazy headlight effect you see on football edits where the player glows and look all cinematic? Today I'm going to show you exactly how to make it, and this is super easy. Let's go. First we're gonna make a adjustment layer. So click on the layer option and select adjustment layer. Here is it. We have our adjustment layer. So now we're gonna create a mask. So to do that, go to upper side, then click the rectangle and hold, then select LPS tool, then just point in your object. In my case that is a football player, so hold it on the object and just move, make a circle. So to adjust that, click on the mask and press Ctrl+T. Now you can move it as much you like. Then you are gonna add exposure effect on the layer and set it to -2. After that, click on the mask and change add to subtract. There you go, you have it. And that's it. Some simple steps to get that fire headlight effect. So if this helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one. Peace.